Hello everyone, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com, and I am doing a comparison video today of the Elaines Reclaimed along with the Appalachian Pine and the Burley Maple. So here we go. As you can see, the Elaines Reclaimed design has about 5 planks that make up the entire look of this product. So just know there's 5 different boards in there. And this area shown on the display panel does have at least 8 to 9, 10 planks showing right there. We did put it together so it does show every plank design in a nice mixed layout. Next to that is the Appalachian, and it has more golden undertones along with some more of a pale blue accent color in there. So you can see how that kind of balances out with the warm tones. So those two are next to each other. Then next to that is the Burley Maple. And compared to the Appalachian, it's more of a muted golden undertone, more of a brown gold with some cream colors in there. A little bit more consistent with the coloration on the Burley Maple. So that's pretty much every plank will be like that. Again, back to the Appalachian, you're going to have some boards that are more strong in the golden color and then some with the blue accent. And then back to the Elaines, 5 different boards in this one. So you've got a whitewash painted board. You've got one that's kind of in the tan color. This one's more with an ivory and a little darker brown color, like a mocha. Then we have the one that's really dark, and it's not terribly dark in that regard, but you can see it gets a nice contrast there. And then this would be the 5th one I haven't mentioned, kind of in the golden tans. Also, just another design. So it's meant to be more of that mixed look. The Appalachian has a little less of a mixed look. And then the Burley Maple is what I would consider more consistent plank to plank. I also do have the Burley Maple on the floor right here. And I got a really bright daylight window here to my right, and then I have the photography lamp over here shining on this floor to the left. And looking at the Burley Maple up against Elaines. Just another way to look at it. We've got the showroom all shuffled around right now, so it's a little difficult getting videos out for you guys. But I hope in about a week we'll have everything in order again. But I hope this comparison video helps you, and let me know if you need any other comparisons done. I'll be glad to help. And please reach out to us at 844-356-6711 if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.